Yadav. In today's session, I am going to share with you about MacBook basic shortcuts. When I bought MacBook, I was not aware about a lot of things. For example, how to shut down, restart, how to set up Zoom call. So let's discuss on this. So basically, once you have and once you log in your MacBook Pro, so we can see the icon here is coming, Apple icon. So in this one we can see we can sleep, restart and shut down our MacBook. So this is the basic main kind of uh, main menu we need to go if we want to do some system level preferences. So if we go to system preferences, so we can see here is system and privacy, like control panel in Windows. So if you open the system privacy, we can see as privacy, and we need to allow accessibility to other software. Okay, so suppose initially I was not able to share my desktop with Zoom, so I came here and allow to privacy to access your softwares basically. So this is one thing, and another, you can see here Mac key shortcuts I put it here. So this is the actually very useful shortcuts. If we know it, you can quickly access many software. So one is Finder. So if you see this Finder icon, we can click here, we go to application and see the all installed software we have here, and under utilities you have utility software. All right, and you can go to find out all the folders where you want to go: application, desktop, documents, Windows. So this is this one, and one is the launchpad. So under launchpad you see also all the software installed. Okay, let's go over the Mac key shortcuts. So if we press the first one, you are saying is command plus space bar. So this is going to open the spotlight search tool. So if you are saying command, so you can search Visual Studio. So you see Visual Studio is coming out, and so it is really very helpful. Mm. And one is suppose if you want to immediately quit an app, so let's open this IntelliJ IDEA. If I can say command Q, it's closed, right? And if we want to take a screenshot, so suppose if you want to take whole screen, like all the screens screenshots, so says command shift 3, command shift 3. So screenshot is captured and is now showing here. Similar, if you want to take particular area to be captured in the screenshot, so command shift 4. So now you can say capture a particular area. Okay, and now you want to record something and take a screenshot, so command shift 5. Okay, command shift 5. So yeah, so let me escape and outside, and if you want to hide app instantly, command H. So this is hide. Okay, similar, if you want to switch from the one app to other, so command H, right? So you can switch. Sorry, command tab, not switch, not H. And so these are the basics. And if you want to open like task manager, simply say open task manager, command open escape, command option escape. So here if you see command option escape is coming, and you can force quit a particular application if you don't want to use, something is hanged. Okay, so these are the basic tool, and it's really help to us to easily access all these applications and what we want to do. So hope you will it helpful for us, and you will like it. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe and like my channel.